Good morning, students. Welcome to chemistry class. This is Vivian Razu presenting the today's lesson. Today's topic is the discussion of worksheet 7 in periodic table. Let us go to the worksheet. The first few questions in this worksheet are multiple choice questions with single correct option. Let us go to the first question. The first question is the element present in the third year group and third period in the periodic table is third year group, means it should be a representative element, and third period in the periodic table, third year group and third period. You know that carbon belongs to second period, phosphorus belongs to third period, but phosphorus is an element in fifth year group, cobalt is a transition metal, and aluminium is the element which belongs to 13th group or third year group and in third period. So aluminium is the right option here. Second question. The electron configuration of element M is argon 3d10 4s2 4p3. Then M belongs to dash group. Argon 3d10 4s2 4p3. Let us rearrange this electronic configuration as argon. After the filling of the valence shell in the third period, the next electron goes to 4s2. After 4s, the electrons are filled in 3d, 3d10 and 4p3. This is the order we generally follow. Here the valence shell is the fourth shell and the differentiating electron is in the p orbital. So this is a p block element. P block element. So number of electrons in the valence shell is 2 plus 3, 5. So group number is 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15. So either 15th group or 5th A group. Here the options given are 5th B group, 8th group, 5th A group and 0 group. The correct option is the third option. Next, third question. The third question is, in the sixth period the orbitals being filled are dash. The sixth period starts in the periodic table by the filling of electron in 6s orbital. After 6s, according to Aufbau principle, the electrons are filled in 4f orbital. After 4f, the electrons are filled in 5d orbital. After 5d, 6p is being filled. So the orbitals which are filled are 6s, 4f, 5d and 6p. So fourth option is the right option. Next, fourth question. The electronic configuration of an element is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. The atomic number of the element which is just below the above element in the periodic table is, this element belongs to P block. The atomic number of this element is 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Atomic number is 15. The atomic number of the next element in the same group will be 15 plus 18, that will be 33. So the correct option is the fourth option. Next, fifth question. Which of the following contains the same number of elements? First period and 0 group. What is the number of elements in the first period? 2. 0 group. 0 group is nothing but 18th group. It contains 7 elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and the newly discovered element. The second option, 6th period and 13th B group. In the 6th period, there are 32 elements, and 3rd B group also, that is 3rd group also, there are 32 elements. 3rd group elements are, what are the 3rd group elements? The scandium, yttrium, and lanthanum plus 14 lanthanides, actinium plus 14 actinides. 14 plus 14, 28, 28 plus 2, 30, 30 plus 2, 32. So there are 32 elements in 6th period and 32 elements in 3rd B group. The 3rd B group is the group which has the largest number of elements. 5th period, number of elements in the 5th period is 18. You know that 4th and 5th periods have 18 elements each. 3rd B group has 32 elements. 3rd period has 8 elements only, and 7th A group has 6 elements only. In which group and which period there are same number of elements? In the 6th period and 3rd B group. So second option is the right option. Next, 6th question. An atom with atomic number 21 belongs to the category of dash. Atomic number 21. Argon with atomic number 18. After the argon, the next electron goes to 4s orbital. 2 orbitals are filled in 4s. After 4s, the next electron enters in 3d. So differentiating electron is in d orbital. So it belongs to d block. So third option is the right option. Which of the following pairs of atoms have same number of electrons in the outermost orbit? Same number of electrons in the outermost orbit. Which elements have same number of electrons in the outermost orbits? The elements which belong to the same group of the periodic table have same number of electrons in the outermost orbit. Which pair of these elements belong to the same group? Nitrogen and oxygen are not belonging to the same group. Sodium and chlorine are also not the elements of the same group. Calcium and chlorine also not the elements of same group. Chlorine and bromine are the elements of the same group, that is 17th group. So they have the same number of electrons in the outermost shell or valence shell. So correct option is the fourth option. 8th question. Which of the following is general electronic configuration of 4D series? The 4D series of elements lie in the 5th period. So the 5th period starts with 5s orbital. After 5s, the electrons are filled in 4d. 5s can accommodate 2 electrons, but in some elements the number of electrons in the s orbital will be 1 only. So the general electronic configuration is 5s 1 to 2, 4d 1 to 10. Here the fourth option is the right option. Next, 9th question. The second element in third transitional series is, third transitional series lies in which period? The first transition series starts in the 4th period. First series starts in 4th period. The second transition series starts in 5th period. And third transition series starts in 6th period. In the 6th period, the first transition element is lanthanum with atomic number 57. After lanthanum, the next 14 electrons are filled in 4f orbital, And after the completion of 4f orbital, that is with atomic number 72, again the transition series starts filling with hafnium with atomic number 72. So second element in the third transition series is hafnium, that is third option. Next, 10th question. In a given transition series, the elements differ generally in the number of dash electrons. Which electrons? They differ in the number of d electrons, that is electrons in the d orbitals. The d orbitals are being filled in the transition elements, so they differ in the electrons in the d orbitals. Next, 11th question. The long form of periodic table is nothing but just a graphical representation of Aufbau principle. Aufbau principle states that the electrons are being filled in the orbitals in the increasing order of their energies. In the periodic table also, the electrons are arranged in the increasing order of their energies in various orbitals, and those blocks are kept at different positions in the periodic table. So it reflects the Aufbau principle. So it can be considered as the graphical representation of Aufbau principle. So first option is the right option. 12th question. Which of the following pair has both members from the same period of the periodic table? Sodium and calcium. Sodium is a third period element and calcium is a fourth period element. Third period element, and chlorine is also a third period element. Calcium is the fourth period element and chlorine is third period element. Chlorine is third period element and bromine is fourth period element. So, which of the following pair has both the members from the same period? That is second option, sodium and chlorine. Next, 13th question. The number of completed transitional series in the periodic table are 4. Earlier there were 3 only, but recently all the elements in the 7th period were also discovered. That is, element with atomic number 118 is also discovered. So it is also completed. The element with 112, the transition series is completed. So there are 4 transitional series which are completed in the periodic table. Third option is the right option. 14th question. Transition elements are placed in the periodic table between the groups between second A group and third A group. Transition elements are placed in between second A group and third A group. Second A group is second group and third A group is 13th group. In between second group and 13th group, that is second A group and third A group, the transition elements are kept in the periodic table. So second option is the right option. 15th question. Regarding transitional elements, the wrong statement is they exhibit variable valences. This is right. They possess low MP melting points. Transition elements possess high melting points and boiling points. So second statement is wrong. They are good catalysts. This is also right. They form colored complexes. This is also right. The only wrong statement is the second statement. So second option is the right option for this question. 16th question. The number of valence electrons that can be present in the second element of any period. Second element of any period. The second element of any period is an alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. Its general electronic configuration is Ns2. There are 2 electrons. So second option is the right option. Next, 17th question. In a period, elements are arranged in a strict sequence of decreasing charges in the nucleus, increasing charges in the nucleus, constant charges in the nucleus, equal charges in the nucleus. In the periodic table, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic numbers. As the atomic number increases, the nuclear charge also increases. So, in the periodic table, the elements are arranged in the strict sequence of increasing charges in the nucleus. Second option is the right option. Next, 18th question. At room temperature, liquid metal and liquid non-metals are dash. There is only one metal which is in the liquid state at room temperature, that is mercury, and there is only one non-metal in the liquid state at room temperature, that is bromine. So mercury and bromine. The correct option is third option, mercury and bromine. The molecular formula of bromine is Br2. Next, 19th question. The element having electronic configuration Kr 4f10 F14, that is 4f14, 4f10, 4f14, 5s2, p6d2, that means 5p6, 6d2, 6s2 belongs to dash block. What is this? Kr. Krypton 36. Atomic number of krypton is 36. So Kr means 36 electrons are filled. Next, that is fourth period. Krypton is belonging to fourth period. The next electron goes to 5s, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, 4f14, 4d is written, 4f is written, 5s is written, 5p is written, and 5d is not written. 6s2, 4f14, 5d 2, 5d2. That is, the differentiating electron lies in d orbital. So it is a d block element. Third option is the right option here. The d orbital of the fifth main energy level is being filled or incompletely filled in this. That is, the differentiating electron lies in the d orbital. So this element belongs to d block. These are the answers of questions given in this worksheet. Thank you.